Perfect. And rest right there. And now I'm going to use the Y strap. So with this, we're going to decompress the spine.
Do I need to scoot back more?
No,
Okay.
you're perfect right there. With your hands. Yeah.
Okay.
Right there.
I'm just nervous.
I know. I get so many people, they're so nervous coming in, and then after they're like, oh my gosh, that was it? I thought it was going to be, you know, like something different, but.
Oh my God. I just felt my soul leave my body, but that felt amazing.
Welcome back to a new episode, Crack Addicts. If you love chiropractic adjustments and just can't get enough of them, make sure to subscribe for daily content.
Take a deep breath in and out. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Okay. Take a deep breath in and out. Okay. One more time, deep breath in and out. Okay. Bring one leg on either side. Okay. Arm up. Bring the other arm up here. Good. And
Okay.
over. Yep, that one up and over. Perfect. Okay. Rotate just like that. Good.
Whew. Oh my God. I didn't even know my back could do that.
And you can relax your arms. Good. And then I'll have you flip to the other side.
That's what they usually do. Is maybe I don't need that. That's his favorite one to jump off with. I promise you. He jumps over. He's a big guy. I'm serious. He sits on me.
I don't do this one all the time, just depending on what the patient's showing and depending on where they're feeling pain when they raise their legs. Because typically from this I would go into the drops, depending on, but that you weren't having the pain, like you're having a different pain pattern than what I would normally do with the drops. So I switched it to side posture, and I just feel that doing the side posture, because the legs were still not balanced, so we want to bring the leg length back to level.
Okay.
And then just kind of how your pain pattern was showing. So it's like I switched things up a little bit. It just kind of depends on
Patient.
what's going on with each patient.
Patient-centered care.
It's funny. It's funny because I get a lot of people all the time saying, oh, he does the same thing, and they don't really watch. Like, granted, you guys are both humans. You have the same spine. The adjustments, the movements are going to be very similar. It's little tweaks and little things.
They just don't watch all the videos because it doesn't.
Correct.
Yeah, no.
Last night.
Good. You can bend just the top.
Oh, okay.
Keep that bottom one straight. And let that leg come up. Good. And just relax right there. Perfect. Okay. Good. Good. Rest your hands.
Okay. Oh, God. Whew.
And I'll have you flip to the other side. Okay, good. Good. Let me just bring this arm just like that and back like that. There we go. And then lay on your back for me. Bring that down. Okay. Now, was this the side with the ACL?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna go a little lighter on this.
Oh, well, that was like 10 years ago. I mean,
No issues with it?
no.
Okay. Ankle.
I know, that's what I'm like, is it my ankle?
Yeah, ankle move nicely on that one.
Oh, I felt a little one on that one.
I'm gonna do a leg pull here. You'll feel some release in the ankle, the knee going up to the hip. Good. Come on up.
Okay. Whoa.
Deep breath in and out. See, like even that was already cleared. There we go. All right, take a deep breath in and exhale out.
Oh my gosh.
I have a huge head. I know.
Asking me, you scared? You scared?
Oh, that feels really good.
Big red.
That's the end of the video, crack addicts. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more chiropractic content. Remember to turn the notification bell on for you won't want to miss our new episodes. See you guys later.